What is CPA marketing and what is CPA? Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in. CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, which means that as you as an affiliate get paid for different tasks that visitors to the offer you perform. It can be that they fill in a form with email address. It could be that they take a survey or watch a video. And this is, of course, decided by the vendor of the offer. Now, there are different CPA networks that you can start promoting offer from, but here I am in the back office of cpalead.com, which you can sign up for free. And here you have different offers, what types it is, it's service, this ones, and here the pay per lead. And here it says if it's fast payout. This means this offer that you will receive payment wherever you decide to cash out. It's good if you choose an offer that's at least $1 per lead. Let's go to the next page, have a look. So let's check out this offer here, FI Money Smarter Banking. Here the details of the payout, $1.70 per lead. It's email submits and survey and active and country, India. This doesn't mean that you have to live in India, but the traffic that you get from there is what is paid for. And here's a preview of the sales page and so on. And here you get your link. You just click and copy that. But I wouldn't promote this link directly. I would set up a capture page so you can build your list and keep promoting different CPA offers to that list. Then in emails, of course, share this URL to people. And if you have access to a landing page software, capture page software, that's great. Otherwise, if you want to go for the free options, low cost option, then GetResponse has quite a good landing page builder. You can build from scratch or choose pre-made themes, but I don't have the link for that. But let's check out preview offer here, the sales page. This is just a standard information page, but we're gonna go to the page now where you find your affiliate link and go to that page instead. And I'll go to a page where, I'm living in Sweden, so I got to another page, but we're gonna have a look at another offer so you see how it works. We can check out this Trump Empire, and you get paid $2.45, which is quite good. The lead email submits and service, and you got to send traffic from Norway. And here different previous launches, and here's a page offer. So let's now go to that link. Got to another different offer. Here's about sharing your opinions and filling out service. But as you see, the basic landing page, how it looks, you can have a look where the real offer with Trump's Empire. You can have here you see how the offer looks like, Trump's Empire, and here you install an app and you can watch the trailer and similar games. So that to make money from CPA offers or any offers, you gotta have the right traffic, the quality traffic. And if you wanna go for the free traffic that works, and I have a training below this video in different free traffic strategies, and you get like a business in a box. So check that out if that sounds interesting, and thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Feel free to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye bye.